Imagine unlocking the power of network file sharing, using Cisco Packet Tracer to configure your own FTP server. Today, you'll master every step clearly, quickly, and confidently. Start by understanding what FTP is. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It's a standard method for transferring files between computers on a network. In network simulation tools like Cisco Packet Tracer, configuring FTP lets you practice crucial IT skills for real-world environments. Begin by opening Cisco Packet Tracer. Create your network topology with 3 key devices: a server, a PC, and a switch. Drag them onto the workspace. Connect the server and PC to the switch using straight-through cables. These connections form your foundation. Simple, reliable. Once your devices are connected, assign IP addresses. Click on the server. Choose the Config tab. Enter a unique IP address, like 192.168.1.2, and set the default gateway to match your network segment. Next, assign an IP address to the PC, 192.168.1.3, for example, and set its gateway. This ensures both devices can communicate smoothly. Now, enable FTP services on the server. In the server's configuration, select the Services tab, then locate FTP. Activate the FTP service. Set up a user account. Choose a username and password. Add user directories if you want specific folders shared. Move to the PC. Open the command prompt. Type in FTP followed by your server's IP address. Enter the username and password you created. You should see a successful login. Try basic commands like dir to list files or put and get to transfer files between the PC and server. Verify successful transfers. If get downloads a file and put uploads one, your FTP server is ready. But if you face errors, double-check IP addresses, cable connections, and FTP settings. Troubleshoot calmly. A confident mindset is key. Now you've set up, configured, and tested an FTP server in Cisco Packet Tracer. As you practice, experiment with different user settings and file types. Every step strengthens your IT foundation. With these skills, you're prepared to tackle larger network projects, bringing your knowledge from simulation to real networking environments.